Hello, this is Lin, the CEO and the founder of EduCare Taiwan. And EduCare Taiwan is the largest platform which consistently promote Taiwan higher education in India, and we are the largest platform. I am here to have an honest conversation about the challenges and the opportunity you are facing in this fast evolving time of AI and smart manufacturing. And I will tell you what you can do about it as well, by the way. Yeah. So let's face it, we are in a very crucial crossroad now after the ChatGPT gun. That the traditional cash cow for India, the IT outsourcing industry, the old IT outsourcing industry that the India have relied on for the past 40 years, the landscape had been changed and they are facing a lot of challenges now. Now, AI can take over the simple data entry, simple programming, accounting task, customer service, call center, even the software testing that AI can do. And this kind of job used to be the main IT service that India outsourcing company provides. And these jobs are quietly disappearing. It's a bit scary, isn't it? And there's an even bigger concern. India is falling behind in the manufacturing sector. India does not have enough experience in the next generation factory, the smart factory. The smart manufacturer or smart factory, they need the people who understand IT, and they have the good experience in production processes. Without the actual big scale of manufacturing experience, India might fall even more behind in this, so to speak, industrial 4.0 revolution. Now you might thinking, this sounds pretty bad news. But remember, if there's a crisis, there are opportunity. And that's exactly what I want to introduce you today. Taiwan, the powerhouse of semiconductor and manufacturing, is opening its doors to you. Let me tell you, it's not just an opportunity, it's a game changer. Here's what you can do about it. Imagine, today in our, from the Professor Gu, in our guest speaker, that he going to guide you through the complexity of robotic manufacturing system. And it's not just a theory, it's the practical knowledge that you can apply. You get a hands-on experience in the cutting-edge robots and a smart production line in Taiwan. In Taiwan, actually, it's not just about textbook learning, but you're going to get into the real world, the actual industry experience. Our second professor, Professor Wang, okay? So he's going to help you to dive into the big data and AI application. You can learn how to optimize the processes and predict the equipment failure, and that can how to boost the production efficiency. This skill actually is in high demand globally for the next 30-40 years to come. Now, imagine after study few years in Taiwan and working few years in Taiwan, you go back to India. You are not just an IT engineers. You are a leader. You are a leader. You are capable to drive the intelligent transformation of these manufacturing sectors. So you will be at the forefront of the India manufacturing revolution. Yes? So you can make the real impact on your country's future.